All right, Wall Street now, and trading was halted on Wall Street again today after another dramatic drop, all due to coronavirus fears. The market closed down almost 10%, down 2,300 points. So here to break all of this down for us is Matt Farkas with St. Germain Investments. Matt, thanks for being here once again this evening. And so the market had its worst single day loss in history after an already bad week. So do you think that the market will continue to decline?
It was no doubt, it was a tough day. So in terms of percentage, it was right up there in terms of one of the worst days that we've had. And anytime that you have a comparison to 1987, the crash then, that's certainly not a good thing.
So at this point, do you think that people who are nearing retirement should be maybe moving to safer investments? Do they need to do that?
Generally speaking, it's not a good idea to react emotionally to market declines, particularly this decline because it was so rapid. Generally speaking, it's good to come up with a long-term financial plan and to really stick with that financial plan through thick and thin, and not to react emotionally, because that can lead to decisions that are not going to suit you best over the long run.
So if the markets continue to decline, though, do you think that it's time for the federal government to step in and lower interest rates? And I ask that again because we've already lowered interest rates. So is it wise to lower again, and can we?
Yeah, I do think we'll get a policy response. So I think there's two mechanisms that the government can basically pull on. One is the central bank. They can lower interest rates further, and lower interest rates definitely helps to stimulate people, stimulate the economy. The Fed did announce today, actually, that they're doing things behind the scenes in markets, if you will, to help inject some liquidity into the markets. And then the second lever that the government can pull is some sort of fiscal spending. And I do expect in coming weeks that we will see some sort of response from DC. And I'm not sure exactly what that will be yet. It could be some sort of spending program or some tax cuts or some combination of that. But I do think some policy responses are coming.
All right, Matt, thanks for joining us. We're going to hear from you once again coming up on 22 News at 5:30. Stay there with us.